Je n'ai rien dit.
I kept my mouth shut. I kept my mouth shut.
Je sais ce que vous voulez dire.
I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
Je suis pressé par le temps.
I'm pressed for time. I'm pressed for time.
Ce n'est pas mon affaire.
It's not my business. It's not my business.
Qu'est-ce qui vous préoccupe?
What's on your brain? What's on your brain?
Une autre guerre a commencé.
Another war started. Another war started.
Il est difficile à gérer.
He's hard to deal with. He's hard to deal with.
Fermez votre bouche.
Keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut.
Quand est votre anniversaire?
When's your birthday? When's your birthday?
Vous avez une grande bouche.
You've got a big mouth. You've got a big mouth.
Pouvez-vous partager la facture?
Can you split the bill? Can you split the bill?
J'ai les nouvelles aujourd'hui.
I've got the news today. I've got the news today.
Merci de m'avoir invité.
Thanks for inviting me. Thanks for inviting me.
Puis-je emprunter un sèche-cheveux?
Can I borrow a hair dryer? Can I borrow a hair dryer?
Puis-je vous aider à porter cela?
Can I help you carry that? Can I help you carry that?
Ne le sous-estimez pas.
Don't underestimate him. Don't underestimate him.
Ressaisissez-vous.
Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together.
Viendrez-vous à ma fête?
Will you come to my party? Will you come to my party?
Vous avez de beaux yeux.
Do you have beautiful eyes? Do you have beautiful eyes?
Vous poussez votre chance.
You're pushing your luck. You're pushing your luck.
Vous parlez chinois?
Are you a Chinese speaker? Are you a Chinese speaker?
Quelqu'un parle-t-il allemand?
Does anyone speak German? Does anyone speak German?
C'est la partie difficile.
That's the difficult part. That's the difficult part.
Quelque chose vous dérange.
Is anything bothering you? Is anything bothering you?
Probablement vers minuit.
Probably around midnight. Probably around midnight.
Vous m'irritez vraiment.
You're really irritating me. You're really irritating me.
Pourriez-vous me rendre la monnaie?
Could you give me some change? Could you give me some change?
Buvons quelque chose.
Let's have something to drink. Let's have something to drink.
300.
300. 300.
Explication.
Explanation. Explanation.
Que fait-il pour le travail?
What does he do for work? What does he do for work?
Cela n'a pas de sens.
It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense.
Vous voulez de l'eau ou du lait?
Would you like water or milk? Would you like water or milk?
Quel est votre film préféré?
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
Voulez-vous un verre d'eau?
Would you like a glass of water? Would you like a glass of water?
Pouvez-vous me rappeler plus tard?
Can you call me back later? Can you call me back later?
C'est une belle fille.
She's a good-looking girl. She's a good-looking girl.
Je suis en extase.
I'm ecstatic. I'm ecstatic.
De la viande, s'il vous plaît.
Meat, please. Meat, please.
Je suis juste fatigué.
I'm just tired. I'm just tired.
Je le déteste.
I hate his guts. I hate his guts.
Ce n'est pas possible.
It can't be true. It can't be true.
Nous n'avons pas eu d'accident.
We didn't crash. We didn't crash.
Il est temps d'y aller.
Well, time to go. Well, time to go.
C'est à vous de choisir.
It's your choice. It's your choice.
Vous avez besoin de faire pipi?
Do you need to pee? Do you need to pee?
Je me sens mieux maintenant.
I feel better now. I feel better now.
Il est de 2 kilogrammes.
It is 2 kilograms. It is 2 kilograms.
C'est un peu difficile.
It's a little hard. It's a little hard.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe ce soir?
What's on tonight? What's on tonight?
Vous êtes de nouveau en bonne santé?
Are you well again? Are you well again?
Rangez votre chambre.
Clean up your room. Clean up your room.
Ne soyez pas si snob.
Don't be such a snob. Don't be such a snob.
Ne le dites pas si fort.
Don't say it so loud. Don't say it so loud.
Il est un grand succès.
He's a big success. He's a big success.
Il n'est plus en ville maintenant.
He's out of town now. He's out of town now.
Comment avez-vous fait cela?
How did you do that? How did you do that?
Revenez nous voir, s'il vous plaît.
Please come again. Please come again.
Vous êtes un bon chanteur.
You're a good singer. You're a good singer.
Ne soyez pas si bavard.
Don't be so talkative. Don't be so talkative.
J'ai un peu de fièvre.
I have a bit of a fever. I have a bit of a fever.
Il vous va très bien.
It looks great on you. It looks great on you.
C'est un mauvais jour pour moi.
That's a bad day for me. That's a bad day for me.
Je n'ai pas aimé le film.
I didn't like the movie. I didn't like the movie.
Prenez soin de vous.
Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
Vous voulez du rouge ou du blanc?
Do you want red or white? Do you want red or white?
Je pense que vous vous trompez.
I think you're mistaken. I think you're mistaken.
Il fera soleil demain.
It will be sunny tomorrow. It will be sunny tomorrow.
Nous parions tout notre argent.
We're betting all of our money. We're betting all of our money.
Oui.
Yeah. Yeah.
700.
700. 700.
Chaussures en cuir.
Leather shoes. Leather shoes.
Il s'arrête pour répondre.
He paused for a reply. He paused for a reply.
Je parle un peu anglais.
I speak a little English. I speak a little English.
Sa chambre est très petite.
His room is very small. His room is very small.
Y a-t-il un bar dans l'hôtel?
Is there a bar in the hotel? Is there a bar in the hotel?
Combien cela va-t-il coûter?
How much will it cost? How much will it cost?
Combien cela coûte-t-il?
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
N'importe qui fera l'affaire.
Anyone will do. Anyone will do.
Cela résout le problème.
That solves it. That solves it.
Vous avez besoin de vous reposer.
You need a rest. You need a rest.
Nous sommes en difficulté.
We are in trouble. We are in trouble.
Je peux manger n'importe quoi.
I can eat anything. I can eat anything.
Je me saoule facilement.
I get drunk easily. I get drunk easily.
Y a-t-il quelque chose de bizarre?
Is anything weird? Is anything weird?
C'est à vous de décider.
It's your decision. It's your decision.
Jouons au mahjong.
Let's play mahjong. Let's play mahjong.
Comment s'est déroulée la réunion?
How was the meeting? How was the meeting?
Je suppose que vous avez raison.
I guess you're right. I guess you're right.
Je sais ce que je fais.
I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
Je vais prendre un pari.
I will take a gamble. I will take a gamble.
Je préfère que vous ne le fassiez pas.
I'd rather you didn't. I'd rather you didn't.
Cela fait longtemps.
It's been a long time. It's been a long time.
C'est ma dernière offre.
That's my last offer. That's my last offer.
Tom est un tueur de femmes.
Tom is a lady killer. Tom is a lady killer.
Nous avons de gros problèmes.
We're in big trouble. We're in big trouble.
Vous vous sentez malade?
Are you feeling sick? Are you feeling sick?
Connaissez-vous cette chanson?
Do you know that song? Do you know that song?
Ne me touchez pas.
Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me.
Il a un tempérament vif.
He has a quick temper. He has a quick temper.
Je veux me reposer un peu.
I want to rest a while. I want to rest a while.
J'ai fini le travail.
I'm done with the work. I'm done with the work.
Mettons-nous au travail.
Let's get down to work. Let's get down to work.
Cela me semble correct.
Sounds all right to me. Sounds all right to me.
C'est incroyable.
That's unbelievable. That's unbelievable.
À quoi ressemble John?
What's John look like? What's John look like?
Mais si elle dit non?
But what if he says no? But what if he says no?
Pouvons-nous nous rencontrer mardi?
Can we meet on Tuesday? Can we meet on Tuesday?
Il n'aime pas se vanter.
He doesn't like to brag. He doesn't like to brag.
Je n'ai pas d'autre choix.
I have no other choice. I have no other choice.
Je réessayerai plus tard.
I will try again later. I will try again later.
Appuyons sur ce bouton.
Let's push this button. Let's push this button.
Elle a volé mon client.
She stole my customer. She stole my customer.
Ne vous inquiétez pas.
Don't concern yourself. Don't concern yourself.
Je suis vraiment heureux pour vous.
I'm really happy for you. I'm really happy for you.
Je vous rappelle.
I'm returning your call. I'm returning your call.
Les gens sont-ils amicaux?
Are the people friendly? Are the people friendly?
Je suis honnête avec vous.
I'm being honest with you. I'm being honest with you.
C'est en face du musée.
It's opposite the museum. It's opposite the museum.
Changeons de sujet.
Let's change the subject. Let's change the subject.
Elle joue les difficiles.
She's playing hard to get. She's playing hard to get.
C'est très regrettable.
That's very unfortunate. That's very unfortunate.
Ils en font tout un plat.
They're making a big fuss. They're making a big fuss.
Vous venez à ma fête?
Are you coming to my party? Are you coming to my party?
Ma femme a une liaison.
My wife's having an affair. My wife's having an affair.
Il n'en est pas question.
That's out of the question. That's out of the question.
Dînons ensemble.
Let's have dinner together. Let's have dinner together.
Voulez-vous une autre tasse?
Would you like another cup? Would you like another cup?
Stylo à billes.
Ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen.
Moi aussi.
Me too. Me too.
À 7 heures du soir.
At 7 o'clock at night. At 7 o'clock at night.
J'aimerais acheter quelque chose.
I'd like to buy something. I'd like to buy something.
Allez-vous souvent au Canada?
Do you go to Canada often? Do you go to Canada often?
Pouvez-vous me donner un exemple?
Can you give me an example? Can you give me an example?
Y a-t-il un marché près d'ici?
Is there a market near here? Is there a market near here?
Avez-vous terminé vos études?
Have you finished studying? Have you finished studying?
Quelqu'un fait cela pour moi.
Someone does that for me. Someone does that for me.
Il ne se soucie pas de moi.
He doesn't care about me. He doesn't care about me.
Non, pas encore.
No, not again. No, not again.
L'un ou l'autre fera l'affaire.
Either will do. Either will do.
Je m'appelle John.
My name is John. My name is John.
Je me sens léthargique.
I feel sluggish. I feel sluggish.
Je suis un bourreau de travail.
I'm a workaholic. I'm a workaholic.
Allez-y, je vous en prie.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Quand cela doit-il se faire?
When is this due? When is this due?
Il est de bonne humeur.
He's in a good mood. He's in a good mood.
Comment cela s'est-il produit?
How did it happen? How did it happen?
Laissez-moi y réfléchir.
Let me sleep on it. Let me sleep on it.
Il fume sans arrêt.
He smokes non-stop. He smokes non-stop.
J'ai pris le dernier bus.
I caught the last bus. I caught the last bus.
Il fera froid ce soir.
It'll be cold this evening. It'll be cold this evening.
Faites comme bon vous semble.
Do as you please. Do as you please.
Je comprends votre point de vue.
I see your point. I see your point.
Je pourrais manger un canard.
I could eat a duck. I could eat a duck.
Je n'ai pas pu m'en empêcher.
I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it.
C'est sur votre droite.
It's on your right. It's on your right.
Il s'agit d'un enregistrement.
This is a recording. This is a recording.
Qu'en est-il de celui-ci?
What about this one? What about this one?
Que vient-il de se passer?
What just happened? What just happened?
Avez-vous réussi l'examen?
Did you pass the exam? Did you pass the exam?
Je ne parle pas anglais.
I don't speak English. I don't speak English.
Je vais payer les boissons.
I will pay for drinks. I will pay for drinks.
Je ne sais pas quoi manger.
I don't know what to eat. I don't know what to eat.
J'aimerais rendre ceci.
I'd like to return this. I'd like to return this.
La réunion s'est bien déroulée.
The meeting went well. The meeting went well.
Appelez-moi à l'occasion.
Give me a call sometime. Give me a call sometime.
Je rêvassais.
I was just daydreaming. I was just daydreaming.
Vous ne dormez pas vraiment.
You're not really asleep. You're not really asleep.
Pouvez-vous me dire quelque chose?
Could you tell me something? Could you tell me something?
Cette robe vous va bien.
That dress looks good on you. That dress looks good on you.
Feuille de manioc.
Cassava leaves. Cassava leaves.
J'ai entendu quelque chose.
I heard something. I heard something.
Je vais vous mettre en relation.
I will connect you. I will connect you.
Il est 9h30.
It's 9:30. It's 9:30.
Ce n'est pas grand-chose.
It's nothing great. It's nothing great.